We're NFI Parts. We have 5 distribution centers across North America. We primarily sell bus parts. Kentucky is our largest site. Across the parts business, we stock about 60,000 SKUs. Shortly after I arrived here, we installed WMS. We use Oracle as our ERP. We digested the Oracle WMS piece for a 3-year period roughly and said, man, this is great, but we would like to have some of these other things. We met with EasyPick. We quickly saw that, yeah, we made some nice improvements, but we wanted to take that next step.
Really filled in the gaps that we couldn't do with just Oracle WMS. Built in a lot of flexibility, gave us a lot more options to help us expand on our processes.
We receive with EasyPick, we put away with EasyPick, we pick our product with EasyPick, and we ship with EasyPick, which integrates with our outbound software. It's given us much greater flexibility in each of those tasks. Using the EasyPick system, we were able to receive line by line our products almost immediately available for sale. The sooner we could get them on the shelf, the sooner we recognize revenue.
We've increased our receipt and put away about 20% right now. Before we'd ship, we would use paper. Today we use EasyPick. When I go into pack, it'll show me the pictures of each part that I'm packing. We're able to ensure our accuracy. We're not having to go through and shuffle a lot of papers around to find things. EasyPick's directing us.
We were able to use EasyPick to completely eliminate paper from our on-floor operation and significantly save not only money, but reduced our carbon footprint. The biggest part where EasyPick has played a role is the visibility on the floor of what needs to be done now. You can talk to any of my management team at any point in the day and they can tell you exactly where we are. They're able to use that dashboard of the orders coming in and understand this is how many lines I still need to pick, I need to move people, and that before was not, we couldn't do it. Before we would roll the dice and at the end of the, really didn't know how we were going to end up till the end of the night. Now by looking at that throughout the day, sometimes we can identify it at 1 o'clock, hey, we're in trouble today. We're probably not going to make volume, and start letting our customers, service folks know so they can relay to customer that, hey, your shipment's going to be delayed today. But it just creates a whole lot more visibility and flexibility on managing that real on-time workload.
The floor's cleaner, we have more space, they're up to date all the time. It creates just a better work environment. You don't feel like you're always under the gun of trying to catch up.
We have access to developers, we have access to folks who know the whole system.
There's capabilities in EasyPick that even our own processes hasn't supported yet. We're working on finding those gaps and basically using EasyPick to its fullest versus us holding it back a little bit.
We are very thankful for what EasyPick has done for our business.